So this is the Samsung Galaxy A16 unboxing. Not doing any setup, just what's in the box and the hardware. A little up there. Oh, ASMR for you. Okay. We have our SIM card pin here. Looks like in here. This way. We have some important documentation. Samsung. Oh, there's more. Missed that one. There we go. So here we have the USB-C connection cable. Now keep in mind, everybody, just to let you know, these phones do not come with a wall charger any longer, just like on the iPhone, so you're going to have to provide your own wall charger. So we got the papers, now let's get to the phone. Set that there for now. So I need to do that. Listen to that. A little ASMR for you all. And there she is. So we have the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. The finish, it's very premium. I'm very impressed. It feels really good in the hand. The weight, it's pretty lightweight. Now for the back, as you can see, we have triple camera rings and a flash. This is your flash right here. But what you also note is the slight camera bump right here. So on the right side, we're going to have the volume keys, which is right here. So you're going to have up and down. You're also going to have the power button, which is here, but it also functions as the fingerprint button. So you'll have to program that into the phone. On the top edge, you have here, this is the mic port, the mic pinhole. So that's where they hear you. So here for the bottom edge, you have the USB-C port and the speaker grip. The SIM trace here, so using the pin ejector, you can pop that out. And then out comes the SIM tray. So here's where this gets very interesting, folks. On the SIM tray, you actually have a slot for your SIM card. Okay, so that's going to be your cellular provider or whoever you're going to use to get your SIM card from. But also you have a slot here that also supports a microSD. The microSD that you can insert into here and put into the phone can go up to 1 terabyte. So now you're able to add a terabyte of storage to this phone. So fast charge is supported, but the charger isn't included, of course. So I recommend looking up the specs to get a compatible adapter. Accessories we're probably going to want to add to this is going to be a case to protect it, because this does have like a nice glass feel, and so does this screen. Stay tuned for the review for this, because I wanted to go ahead and make sure that we discuss this in depth. I want to make sure I put this phone through its paces to make sure that it is a viable phone for our tech grown-ups. I will provide camera samples, battery life, and performance after about a week or two. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the review.